These guys have amazing cutting skills, and it's great. But the last one is insane, so watch until the end.
Onde eu quiser chegar.